Welcome back to another video. Today I'm stoked because the legend packs have been released and I have not opened one of these before. So I'm going to be opening 3 of them today. So let's get into it. 68.5k per pack. It's insane. Alright. Mike Webster, Clarksville. Steven Jackson 81. 72 Drum Simpson. 74 Willis McGahee. 74 Eddie Royal. 75 Tracy Porter. So that was crap, but it's okay. Alright, this should be good. Yes, 89 AJ Green, Calvin Pryor, Stephen Bowen, Richie Incognito, Eric Decker, and Fred Philip. So that's our first elite. AJ Green. Interesting. Alright, last pack. Here we go. 73 EJ Manuel, Will Smith, 73, Mike Webster, Greg Toller, Rashad Johnson, and Ezekiel Ansah. So those weren't that great of a packs, but the AJ Green's nice, and Eric Decker's nice, but I mean there's a risk in it, so we took that risk, so I can't be mad. Gotta see how AJ Green will look. Ooh, Randall Cobb, I love Randall Cobb. I'm gonna keep Randall Cobb. I love Randall Cobb. He's on my fantasy team, and he does make good every single. Like, he plays really good every week, so I like him. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.